Howdy y'all. Today I thought I would make a video that could potentially help people's trying to change a crankshaft position sensor on a 2001 Chevy Cavalier with a 2.2 liter Ecotec engine. A lot of times people, I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see it here, and then we'll continue from there so I can explain it. Okay, 2001 Chevy Cavalier, crankshaft position sensor change. Most people, they will do it one of two different ways. They'll either go underneath the car, which you'll see there is very little clearance to get to it, or they'll go through the top. You know, after taking the resonator off of it, taking the metal bracket off that covers the fuel rail and the fuel pressure regulator that is over here, they'll try to attempt to go down to the top here. But as you noticed, what's holding the rail here, you got a protruding bolt here, and if you got big hands like me, there's not much room there and you're going to tear your arm up. So I've searched the internet and I found out these are the only two ways. And ironically, people didn't stop to think there's an easier way. You come over here, hold this, son, hold it right there where it's at. You come over here, you got 3 bolts that's holding your coil packs here. Undo your coil packs here, take off the bolts right here. A little bit of a tight space, so deal with me a little bit. But you'll find this to be a heck of a lot easier than the top down, go through the middle of the intake manifold, or going through the bottom. Just take the coil pack, the whole assembly, set it to the side, and lo and behold, look at all that clearance. And just to give you a good idea, you know, right here, I can stick my hand all the way, and I'm touching the crankshaft position sensor perfectly. Plenty of room to get to it, pull it out, everything. And all you have to do is undo the 3 bolts for the coil packs, remove them out of the way. You may have to undo the bolt on the heater core lines and push it down a little bit. But once again, there's all that access to get back there to the crankshaft position sensor or the cam sensor. So just wanted to let you know, there's the easiest route. Hope this helps.